The text shadow property has an optional blur radius. And you can see in the example that it gives it a nice soft effects around the shadow. Here again, as you change the values of the horizontal and vertical offset in combination with the blur radius, you can get very different effects. To remove the text shadow property, simply set the value to none. Should you wish to reverse the direction of the shadow to the left and top, all you need to do is to put a minus sign in front of the horizontal and vertical offsets, as shown in the example here. You can create multiple shadows with this property, and how you do that is you just comma separate the values for each individual shadow. Bear in mind now that the first shadow coded will be directly behind the letters and the next shadow will be behind that. So you need to make sure that the values for the horizontal and vertical offset for the second or third or fourth shadow are farther apart, or else you may not see it. Alright, so we are used to working in a pixel world. However, you should be using EM units of measure for your text. Now, when it comes to borders and shadows, should we be using PX or EM? Well, for responsive design, PX seems to work well as the values are relatively small and they seem to scale nicely from one device to another.